Hi everyone, I'm Ada and I'm here to share with you a super quick update on FeetFinder.com, so stay around so you don't miss it. Hello fellow Feetish. FeetFinder has partnered with Paxum so that sellers can be assured that their e-wallet has the strongest and most secure protection on their account. Signing up for Paxum is straightforward and super user-friendly. Sellers must completely fill out the earnings page. Failure to do this is going to make it where FeetFinder is not going to be able to pay you. It's super easy. All you do is you fill out the necessary information and double check it before you proceed to the next step. So US sellers are paid via direct deposit. However, international sellers are going to be paid via Paxum. As an additional kind of reminder and something that's super essential for US sellers is definitely double check your bank account information, because if there are any errors, typos, anything like that to your bank information, FeetFinder is not going to be able to pay you. So definitely double check that and make sure everything is correct so you get paid. As for international sellers, you're going to create an account on Paxum and you're going to enter your information for banking into the payout sign up once you've created the account. With Paxum, we pay with ease. So what are you waiting for? Get on over to FeetFinder.com and set up your account today. By the way, just a quick update, FeetFinder is working on Segpay, another payment option so that they can maximize all the best payment methods for their sellers. So stay tuned for that information and don't forget to subscribe. And again, if you wish to learn how to buy and sell feet content on FeetFinder.com, we have provided the most detailed video on our channel just for you. Check the link in the description below to sign up at FeetFinder.com today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about selling and buying feet content, definitely check out our playlist on the end screen. I'm Ada, wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.